Hi, today we're going to be talking about websites that would be perfect for students, and I picked out 5 that I have personally even used in my previous years of being a student, and I just really like these other ones too, so let's get into it. The first website is funbrain.com, and I was looking at this one strictly because of my lesson plan, which is math. And if you look, I am in grade 2, and it shows reading, and then it also has math, baseball, word derby, so it is very helpful with many other topics too. The next one is obviously Brainpop. Brainpop is a great resource to use when you want an animated video for your students to actually be engaged in. I used Brainpop in my previous years of being a student, and it really helped me out. And there's also like Brainpop quizzes at the very end that you as a teacher can share with the class, and the students will be able to give you feedback right after that. Another website that I was looking at was Brainscape. I've actually never heard of this website until this week. I was looking at it, and Brainscape is a great way to create flashcards for your students, or your students can do them themselves. So for instance, with Brainscape, I wouldn't be doing normal addition. I would create my own deck of cards that would deal with place value and how to use greater than, less than, and equal to, and just give many examples and problems, and they would choose it themselves. Another website I was looking at was Ezzy Candy. I played around with this for a little bit, and I did go ahead and make a set of matching cards. So for instance, I will do matchup, and as soon as this loads, it didn't really load correctly, but all you have to do is you have a timer, and you want to make sure that you put it in the right place. Oh, obviously that is not the tens place. You want to look for the ones place for that. You want to look for the hundreds place for this. The ones place for tens. Equal to. The less than symbol didn't pop up correctly. But yeah, you get the gist of it. Another great example is Nuzomatic. I will definitely be using this with my kids because you can obviously get their attention. Like, these are getting my attention. I don't even know what these are about, but it makes me want to read them because of how well laid out they are. And I thought that was really nice. But yes, I would use all those tools in my classroom because it gets them really engaged. And I don't think a lot of teachers, when I was in school, honestly didn't really think about that, and to keep the students focused too. And I feel like that's a really great way to study and review. And yeah, I would definitely recommend all of those websites, and thank you.